Mr. Jerome and Miss Ariane, I'm giving you the pen and you are now going to sign the marriage certificate. But before you are going to do that, I'm giving you few seconds para sa ganun mag-isip ng mabuti, pwede pa mag-back-out. Mr. Jerome, this is to announce that Mr. Jerome has already signed the marriage certificate. And now, it's your time, Miss Ariane. This is also to announce that Miss Ariane has already signed the marriage certificate. And today, I'm requesting the patience of the representatives coming from the principal sponsors to kindly sign the marriage certificate as well. May I request Mr. and Mrs. Gilbert R. Castigo to sign the marriage certificate. Thank you so much, Pastor. Hinihiling din po namin ang patience po ni Mr. Danilo Mauricio. Hinihiling po namin ang patience po ni Mr. and Mrs. Antonio Polanco to kindly sign the marriage certificate. And the last but not the least, Mr. and Mrs. Elpidio Sisayanga. Thank you so much, sir. May I request everyone to please rise. Tumayo po tayong lahat. At atin na pong i-dedicate ang pagsasama po ni Mr. Jerome and Miss Ariane. Let us dedicate this union into the mighty hands of the Lord.